No mga kasubs and welcome to the Sarsicles TV. You got me, Mark. It is Sunday 11 or 17 past 11 in the morning. Luckily, the cloud is still, the sky is bright. Although the sun is hiding behind the clouds, there has been an alert about the weather. Hopefully, it's not that it doesn't become that bad later on because I'm expecting it sometime in the afternoon. Let's go with this recommendation. This is new. We have Monmon Sanchez and Team No Salip. Is it Team No Salip really or Team No Sleep? Not sure. But anyway, they both recommend the song Marilag, and it's the rap version by Mac Nimbus, or sorry, MC Nimbus. What is Marilag in ano ba yung Marilag in English? Let's look at let's quickly goggle it. Marilag in English. Majestic. So other adjectives or adjectives or some words that are synonymous to the term beautiful, pretty, or maalindog. There you go. Mainam. Okay. Anyway, before we give this song a go, just a quick thank you to all our viewers, subscribers, members, and sponsors. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And without any further delays, let's give this song a go. In 3, 2, 1.
Pampanga's finest, 2025, SND. Para to sa nag-iisang Marilag, alam mo kung sino ka. It's your boy, MC Nimbus.
Pambihira ang ganda mo at kakaiba. Sa mga ngiti pa lang ako'y nai-inlove na. Tila galit sa aking puso ay biglang nawala. Napalitan agad ng love na sa akin tumingin ka. Binibining Marilag ako'y nabihag mo nga. Sa unang tingin pa lang ako'y nahulog na nga. Kaya hindi nagdalawang isip na ika'y lapitan. Kilalanin at tanungin ang iyong pangalan. Di ko napapalapasin ang pagkakataong to. Aaminin ang nadarama ng puso sa'yo. Kaya Jelay, sana ay mapakinggan mo ito. Ito'y awitin na sinulat ko para lang sa'yo. Ibang-iba ka sa lahat, nag-iisang Marilag. Kaya di ko maiwasan, puso sa'yo malaglag. Sana lang bigyan ng tsansa na ingatan kita. Mahalin at alagaan at protektahan ka. Ituring kang prinsesa at pasayahin ka. At sa lahat ng bagay ay sasamahan kita. Ituring mo akong pader na pwede mong sandalan. Asahan mong sa piling ko hindi ka masasaktan. Tumingin sa ibang babae di ko na magawa. Dahil sa aking mga mata ikaw lang ang maganda. Salitang kontento ay sa'yo ko lang nadama. Simula nang makilala ka doon lang ako sumaya.
And that is the end of the song. Cool vibe song. Apparently in the beginning, minention na the name of the person was not yet revealed. So parang I think he was saying, sana nakikinig ka para sa ito. I hope you're listening. This one's for you. But apparently in the I think somewhere around second verse or before second verse or before just before chorus. I'm not sure if it's the first or second chorus. The MC said or mentioned the name Jelai. So that's the name of that person that he describes as, or he dedicates the song as, or Marilag. Marilag. Anyway, I wonder who the original if singer is, or is it still, is it also MC Nimbus? Vocal arranger, mastering, disclaimer. So I don't know who the original is. But very cool rap part. So first line or the first verse talks about Jelai's smile and how she is able to replace, to change a person. So it says here, it was mentioned, alis galit, napalitan ng love, something like that. So galit is anger. So remove, to remove anger, that's alis. Alis is remove. Napalitan is to change, and then love is love. So remove anger and replace it with love. So that's the effect that Marilag has on him. Nabihag is to get to be enslaved or to be captured or imprisoned. So he's a prisoner of love because of that. Second verse goes something like, um, tumingin sa ibang babae, hindi na magawa. Yeah, there you go. I'm getting my the rapper in me is trying to get out. So what it's trying to say is, tumingin is to look or to glance sa ibang babae. Iba is other. To glance at other women or female. Hindi na magawa. Magawa is do. Hindi is no or cannot. So to look or to glance at other women, I can no longer do. Sayo sumaya. Sayo is actually two words. It's actually written something like this. Sayo. Sayo. Which is also equivalent to two words. Sa, iyo. I guess the apostrophe kind of like makes it into like one word, I guess, or maybe an expression, sayo, a shortcut or something, but it means the same. Sa is to, and then iyo is you, to you. So to you, and then sumaya is to become happy. So it's saying, translated, it means with you I am happy. So in the second verse, it does show the contentment of the person with Marilag, because with her he can no longer look at other women, and with her he is happy. So very cool song, very solid. Uh, Very relatable kasi when it's sung in Tagalog, the words are easy to follow. And sometimes whether you use everyday words or poetic words, it just really sinks in for some reason, and I dig that because sometimes you don't have to use anything. You don't have to be like too fancy on stuff. If you want to say something to someone, you just say it. And I think this song did that. No beating around the bush. If you want to drive a nail, just simply hammer it. Just drive it with a hammer. As simple as that. No fancy equipment. There's no like um yeah, beating around the bush. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, you just do it. By the way, I also want to just a quick one in this. I dig the simplicity of the visualizer. So it just shows a picture of what appears to be the song, maybe a song cover, or doesn't look like the album. But let's see. Let me change Let me change the quality of the video so that we can see the picture better. So it's a very simple but cute visualizer, because you can see aside from the static image, you can see those hearts in the background like moving like some sort of like a love lamp ish. So very cool. Very cool effect there. See? I wonder if this was released February 14, just to add to the cheesiness. Anyway, let's put a pause quickly. Let's see, when was it uploaded? Ah, okay, just recent, April 3. April, May, June. So it's a little over 3 months. So very cool song. Approve kay MC Nimbus. Maraming salamat sa'yo. Ikaw ang panalo dito. Anyway, that's our reaction. Let me know what you think. Leave it in the comments. If you haven't done it yet, these are the stuff you can do to show loving to our channel. Please do as many as you can. Don't forget to tell your family and friends about Starsicles TV. Sharing is caring, and most importantly, stay safe, everyone. I'll see you on the next video.